How to view people you are following on Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to view people you are following on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to click on Threads right here, and once you're in there, just click on your profile right here in the button. This is the last button on the below, so just click on that profile icon, and from in there you can see these 3 followers. So yours may vary because it actually gives you the number of followers that you have. So just click on 3 followers right here. As you can see, we're on the followers list. So if you want to view the people you are following, you can just click on following right here, and you can see the list of people right here. If you have a lot, then you can click on search right here, and you can search for that person in this following list. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to view people you are following on Threads. If you have guys a comment, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.